Gawang fried rice. Ito top. Kan. Yun. Hello guys. Yung Wagyu beans, siling pula, carrots, pang fried rice, Java rice. Itlog guys.
Kasi pag nandun si...
Sinalo ko na dyan sa itlog. Java rice.
Kapatak nito ha.
Bigyan ako ng ano yan.
Hi guys. Welcome to the vlog guys.
Sweetie. Yan. Pakulay. Look at that. Guys, nahalo ko na guys. Natapos dito guys. Bye. Guys, ito na yung finished product. Guys, ayan ayan guys, finished product. Look at that. Thank you guys. Thank you followers. Thank you for sharing, like, heart. Display ko na yan guys sa customer.